Hello everyone, my name is Savita. I am from Tech University. Now I am going to present my final year project. Now I am going to tell about my project title. My project title is Online Java Compiler using Cloud Computing for Android Mobile. Exactly, in my project, what is going on without installing the software in your mobile device, you can execute the Java program very easily. Now I'm going to show my objective of my project here. Objective of the project is the number of smartphones and mobile applications are growing rapidly. Through smartphones are expected to have PC-like functionality hardware resources such as CPUs, memories, but batteries are still limited. Here we are compiling the Java code using Android smartphones without installing Java software in Android phone. We propose a conceptual architecture of Android as a server platform which enables multiple Android applications on cloud server via network. Without internet connection, you can't execute this application. Because we are implementing software as a service for cloud computing, it's a resource of cloud computing. Basically, it has developed Android-based application for student, which is very useful for any user. Here, my system architecture is there. Here, my project system architecture is there. Here you can see the Android user is there. Android user is sending request to the server, and server is sending to SaaS. It is using SaaS service, and SaaS is giving output to server. Server will send to Android user. Suppose that if error will come, then it will goes to the servers, and again it will do same process, and again it will return to the server, and server will send the Android user. Now I'm going to show my project demo. Here I'm going to open Eclipse software. It is very useful for Android project. Here it is going to be open. Now Eclipse is opening. It will take few times. Yeah, here it is asking for workspace. I already saved that workspace. Then after that I will do OK. Yeah, you're seeing that this Eclipse is opening. It will take some few times. Yeah, you can see here that project has here Eclipse has opened, and here it is showing that workspace is opening now. It will take some time. Yeah, here it is loading the data. Yeah, now it has opened properly. And secondly, you have to see whether internet connection has connected to your server or not, because here I am using my system as a server. I make my system as server, that's why I connected net in my system itself. Then I will check the IP address. I will go through the command prompt and I will check IP address. Here you can see here IP address is given here 192.168.43.140. This IP address you have to mention in this project codings. Four codings is there. Here you can say four codings: login page .java, sign up page Java, user info Java, IP address Java. Total 4 pages of Java you have to mention IP address. Here you can see that IP address I have mentioned. Secondly, in sign up page also I have mentioned here IP address. user info also I have mentioned IP address, and here one for IP address page, Java page, here I have mentioned. Now after that what we have to do, we have to go through the server. We have to do right click, and after that we have to go through run as, and it will give some options, but you have to click on run on server, because without executing server your project will not execute. Then here so many options will come. Here two options here: choose an existing server, and second one is manually define a new server. Then you have to select on manually define a new server. Here I have downloaded Apache Tomcat for executing my project, Apache Tomcat server, and my Apache Tomcat version is for 7.0 server. I will select this one and I will click on finished. Then here you can see that it's starting. Sir, Tomcat here is server is starting. Here it is sending request, it is working now. Here you can see that server has sent message hi. After that you have to go through the project. You have to click on right click, and after that run as, and here options has came. You have to click on Android application. Then one emulator will present. Emulator here it has asking no compatible targets were found. Do you wish to add a new Android virtual device? I already created launcher, that's why I'm not going to do yes, that's why I'm clicking on no. Here two launchers I have created, and I will select this one, and after that I will click on OK. It will take for a few minutes, and automatically emulator will appear here. Yeah, you can see here emulator is there. It is loading your application inside emulator. It's just like a mobile. What function in your mobile, same same in emulator. It is installing the applications, that's why it is taking few times. Here I am doing unlocking the screen. After that it will automatically go through your application. Yeah, you can see it's the main activity, main layout. It's the four option is there: about, sign in, sign up, and user info. About, we will click on about. It will show which language you can come execute your project in this application. Then I will go through back. Then here sign in. Here you will give your username and password. Here then you will click on sign in. Then after that you go to sign up page. In sign up page, suppose that if you didn't create any user, then you can create username, then password. You have to retype password. Then select options, male or female. Then here you have to give mobile numbers. Then here email ID. Then you have to click on sign up. I already created this name, that's why no need to do sign up here. If you want to create, then you can click here. Then I'll go back, and after that here user information. See, this much users are there I have created, and I will go through sign in. I'll do sign in. Here password is wrong. I have given wrong password, that's why it is giving wrong password. User ID. Now I'm doing sign in. Yeah, it is. Go through the next page. Here 3 options, service option is there. Create file, compile file, run file. Here I will create file. I will click on create file. Already I have created here file, and I have already saved here. I will show where it has saved. We have to go through the my computer, then local disk, then here it has automatically created files. Then you can see here that already here Java file has created. Okay, then I will compile. After compiling, I will compile this one. See here, through server it is sending messages. Then yeah, here compilation is successful. Now I will do OK. After that, you can see here that it has created class file. Here is Java file and here is class file. Now we are going to see the output. What output will come? We will execute here class file. We'll click on run. Here message has flashed. Whatever you have message will be given. That message will flashed here. Same process in mobile. Suppose that if you want to execute in mobile, then you have to go through bin folder. Then here APK file is there. Just copy this one, and now after you have to paste in your desktop. Here I have already created. I have already pasted here, and then you have to copy this one and you have to paste in your send to your mobile, and you have to install. After install, you can execute that application very easily. This is my, and it is very useful for student, and thank you all of you.